line again, goes corner to corner. And we're going to turn left at this intersection. Now this guy in front of you is turning left, but he could be going the wrong way, right? So you want to look for clues. 2 stop signs on each corner for a one-way, 1 stop sign on the corner for a two-way. So you know it's a two-way. And then further evidence is the color of the line, yellow line. We're going to turn left at the lights. And when you're turning left onto a one-way street, there's 2 lanes there. Turn into the first one, but the purelator truck is blocking your way, so you turn into the next available lane.
Okay.
Yeah, if the purelator truck wasn't there, you'd be turning there, basically, into that lane. And then if there's no other clues around, you look over here, there's traffic lights on that side, but there's no traffic lights on that side. It shows you the traffic flows one way that way. And rights of ways work the same way here as anywhere else, so when the light turns green, that guy's coming through. Guy behind him, don't know yet, but he'll have the right of way to make that right turn if he's making a right turn before you do.
If the purelator guy wasn't there, could we technically both, like me and him, if he were to be turning, because there's 2 lanes?
Yes. Yep. If so, yeah, that's why you would be turning into the left lane, to allow someone to turn right at the same time with you. Try to avoid going at the same time, so you don't come right up beside them. But okay, so let's make a left lane change here. So what we're doing now is we're picking whichever lane has the least amount of resistance in it when you're looking far down the road. The right lane is blocked by the police officer, and we're going straight.